In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video effects in an MS Teams meeting. This is really helpful if you want to look more professional on camera, adjust how your video appears, or quickly fine-tune things while you're already in a call. Let's imagine you're already inside a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can see your video feed, other participants, and the main meeting toolbar along the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your layout. On that toolbar, look for the icon with three small dots, often called More or More Options. This is where Teams keeps a lot of extra settings that don't fit on the main row of buttons. Go ahead and click on those three dots. When you do, a menu will open with several choices related to the meeting, like device settings, layout options, and more advanced features. Take a moment to glance through the list so you're familiar with what's there. But for now, we're going to focus on the option related to your camera. From this menu, click on Video Effects and Settings. This is the section where you can control how your video appears to everyone else. Depending on your version of Teams, this panel might slide out from the right side of your screen or appear as a window with different tabs or sections. Inside Video Effects and Settings, you'll usually see options like background blur, background images, lighting adjustments, or filters depending on what your organization and version of Teams allow. Here, you can choose whether you want a simple blurred background to hide what's behind you, or select a specific image as a virtual background. As you click through these options, keep an eye on the preview of your camera. This lets you see how the effect looks before everyone else sees it. If your device feels slow, give it a second after each change so the effect can apply smoothly. You can always switch back to no background or a lighter effect if your computer struggles with the more advanced options. It's a good idea to test these before an important meeting, so you know which settings look best with your lighting and camera. While you're already in the meeting, another useful feature to turn on is live captions. To do this, once again, click on the three dots on your meeting toolbar to open the More Options menu. From there, select Show Live Captions. When you enable live captions, Teams will start displaying spoken words as text at the bottom of your screen. This can make your meeting more accessible, help you follow along in a noisy environment, or catch details you might otherwise miss. Remember that live captions are generated automatically, so they may not be perfect, but they're a great support tool. And that's it. By using the three-dot menu to access video effects and settings, and then turning on Show Live Captions, you can quickly improve both how you appear and how you understand what's being said in your MS Teams meetings.